Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we'll guide you through the EDiMAX EW-7438PTn N300 Wi-Fi extender setup using WPS. No complicated configuration is needed, simply follow the WPS pairing steps to connect the extender with your router and improve Wi-Fi coverage in weak signal areas. This guide is ideal for beginners. We'll walk you through each step, from connecting the extender to your router to placing it in the ideal location for expanded Wi-Fi coverage. Firstly, take the EW-7438PTn and plug it directly into a wall outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router. The extender has a built-in power adapter and an AC pass-through socket, so another electrical device can still be plugged into the extender. Wait for the extender to start up. The power LED should become active before you continue with the WPS setup. Locate the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. It is usually found on the back, on the side, or occasionally on the front panel. Press the WPS button on the router once. The WPS LED starts blinking. The router now waits for another WPS device to connect. You usually have 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within 2 minutes of activating WPS on your router, press and hold the WPS button on the EW-7438PTn for about 2 seconds. The EDiMAX Quick Installation Guide specifies a 2-second press, while the user manual gives a 2 to 5 second range. The extender's green WPS LED should start flashing. This means the extender is searching for and attempting to establish a WPS connection with your router. Now leave both devices alone for a short time. The router and extender will communicate automatically and establish the wireless connection. When the WPS connection is successful, the green WPS LED on the EDiMAX remains illuminated for approximately 5 minutes as an indication of a successful connection. You don't need to enter your Wi-Fi password manually during this WPS process. Unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name_ext. Select the network. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.